Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how to use Capcut application to edit your video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed Capcut application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this Capcut application, you can open it and then click on new project to start creating new project. Okay, and then you can choose a video you want to edit. If you need footage from Capcut, you can go to the Capcut library right here. And here you'll be able to get a lot of footages for your editing. There are some categories you can use. If you need footage, just go to this Capcut library. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to add my own video. We can add one video or multiple videos to our project. I'm just going to add 2 videos, for example, and we can click on this add button to import the video to Capcut project. But if you want to create video collage, you can go to the collage menu, and then the collage will be created automatically with the video you have selected. I'm just going to click on add. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys a basic tools on Capcut we can use to edit our video. You can explore the tools right here, and then I'm going to show you the first tool. We can select this edit, and here we'll be able to split our video, change the speed, and then add animations, and also add effect. In this effect menu, we'll be able to add video effect or body effect or style effect or AI effect, but this AI effect is for premium user. Okay, and you'll be able to remove the background of your video as well. You can use auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key feature. Okay, then you will be able to retouch your video. You can go to the face or body, and then you can apply makeup, reshape your face. Okay, make sure you have internet connection to use this feature. Okay, you can make your body slimmer right here. Okay, and then we can go back to the main menu. And if you want to add audio to your Capcut, just go to the audio, and then you will be able to add sound effects, text to speech or text to audio, and extract audio from video or add voiceover. If you want to add voiceover, you can click on record, and then you can go to these sounds. If you want to add audio from your device or audio from Capcut. Here we have music recommendation from Capcut, and you can explore the category right here. And if you want to add music from your device, you can click on this icon, and then you can select device, or you can extract audio from video. Okay, and then guys, we can go to the tags if we want to add tags to Capcut. Okay, here we will have a lot of fonts and styles, effects, animations, and also bubbles. Alright, and then I'm going to go back. Okay, and then go to the aspect ratio if you want to change the ratio of your video. And you can go to the filter if you want to apply filter or adjustment. Here you can apply a lot of filters, and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and the sharpen. It's up to you. Okay, then we can add sticker as well. Just go to the sticker menu if you want to add sticker, and you will be able to draw on your Capcut, on your video. Just go to sticker. You can go to the tags if you want to draw, and then you can select draw like this. You can change the pattern. I'm just going to use this one for instance, and we can draw on our video like this. Right, and I'm just going to go back, and if you want to change the background, just go to background, and you will be able to apply color, image, blur, or brand background. And here guys, I'm just going to add effect to my video. I'm just going to add a video effect. I'm going to select the I'm going to select celebrate category, and I'm going to choose free effect. Okay, we can adjust the effect. Okay, and then I'm just going to add the effect to all my video. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is the result. And then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, but before you can set the resolution. Okay, choose the resolution and just click on export. And we can also export our video as a GIF. Go to the GIF menu if you want to create a GIF. Okay, and click on export to save the video. Okay guys, and that's all the basic tutorial on how to use CapCut to edit our video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.